Imagine walking into a salary negotiation armed with the perfect sentences to unlock a bigger paycheck. Sounds like a dream? Today, we're making that dream your reality. We're diving deep into the 5 magic sentences you absolutely must say in every salary negotiation. These aren't just any sentences, these are the game changers that could add zeros to your paycheck. So if you're gearing up for a salary negotiation or just want to be prepared for the future, you can't afford to miss this. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more insights and career transforming tips. Now let's get started. First magic sentence on the list. I've done extensive research, and the market rate for someone with my skills and experience is between $80,000 and $100,000. This sentence is powerful because it shows you're not just pulling numbers out of thin air. You've done your research, you know your worth, and you're aware of industry standards. This sets a factual basis for the negotiation, making it difficult for the employer to undercut you without a valid reason. Next sentence. Considering my contributions to the team and the value I bring, I believe a salary adjustment is warranted. This sentence is all about framing. You're not just asking for more money, you're stating that you've earned it through your contributions and value to the team. This shifts the conversation from a demand to a logical conclusion, making it easier for the employer to agree. Third sentence on the list. Is there room for flexibility in the base salary or other components of the compensation package? This question is a soft opener that allows you to probe for negotiation room without coming across as pushy or inflexible. It also opens the door for discussions about other forms of compensation like bonuses, stock options, or benefits, giving you multiple avenues for improvement if the base salary is fixed. Fourth on our list. I'm really excited about the role and the team, and I want to make sure that we're aligned in terms of compensation as well. This sentence does double duty. First, it reaffirms your enthusiasm for the role, which employers love to hear. Second, it subtly reminds them that for you to fully commit and excel, the compensation needs to be fair. It's a diplomatic way of saying, I'm invested, so let's make sure the compensation reflects that. Last but not least, could we revisit the salary topic in 3 months, after I've had the chance to demonstrate my impact on the team? This is your safety net. If all else fails and you can't negotiate a better package up front, this sentence sets the stage for future discussions. It shows you're committed to proving your worth and suggests a timeline for revisiting the topic, making it more likely that you'll actually have that follow-up conversation. And there you have it, the 5 magic sentences that could unlock bigger paychecks in your salary negotiations. If you found this video invaluable, give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone you know who's navigating the tricky waters of salary negotiation. And don't forget to subscribe for more career transforming content. Until next time, go out there and secure that bag.